DEWALT DCD980M2 20V Max XR Li-ion Premium 3-speed drill driver kit features 3-speed all-metal transmission, maximum speed 2000 rpm. Heavy-duty 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck with carbide inserts. High power, high-efficiency motor delivers 535 unit-watts out of max power. LED light with 20-second delay after trigger release. Includes 2 batteries. DEWALT 20V drill pros and cons before buying. Pros. It is very sturdy and packs a punch. You will easily get a full day's work on a single charge. It's got great torque and the chuck is sensational. Excellent torque, long battery life, and love the flexibility of the many speed options it has. The brake and power is well balanced. Cons. A little bit heavy, so it may be a problem for few people. Other than that, no complaint. The DEWALT DCD980M2 features a 3-speed all-metal transmission that matches the tool to task for fastest application speed and improved run time. It has a heavy-duty 1/2-inch metal ratcheting chuck with carbide inserts which provides superior bit gripping strength. The high-power, high-efficiency motor delivers 535 unit-watts out of max power for superior performance in all drilling and fastening applications. Also featured within the unit is a LED light with 20-second delay after trigger release. This drill driver runs on DEWALT 20V Max XR Premium lithium-ion batteries which offer longer tool runtime and enhanced durability. The kit includes 1 drill driver, 1 1-hour charger, 2 20V Max XR Premium lithium-ion batteries, 1 360 degrees side handle, and kit box.